Hello, welcome to AlexJWilson.com, and the building I just showed you is Maple Leaf Square. Now, the reason I picked this building today for a discussion on assignments is because it's completely sold out. So if you wanted to purchase this building today from the developer, you can't. So the only option you have is to purchase something via assignment. So what's an assignment? An assignment is purchasing the right to buy a unit from the developer from someone else that's already purchased in the building. So basically you're assigning that right, that's the word assignment, from the seller to you. Now, how do you do that? Where are the assignments? Well, assignments aren't listed on MLS, so you'll have to have a real estate agent out there looking for these assignments, talking to their investor clients, talking to fellow real estate agents to find out if they have any investors that are looking to sell and get out of these units. The main reason why an individual would want to do that is because they want to cash out. They have all this money that's been tied up in the property, probably about $70,000, $80,000, because they put about 15% down for the last 3 to 4 years, and for whatever reasons, they need that money now. They've also typically earned a premium, an appreciation on that unit from their original purchase 3 to 4 years ago, so they may be looking to recoup some of that. Typically, if you're looking at assignments and they haven't reached the occupancy stage yet, the investors are looking for the return of their deposit, so you're looking at 15%, and then to recapture some of that appreciation that have built up in the property. So you're most likely looking at over $100,000 or more just to get into that assignment deal, which really puts at a range for many of my end user clients, or if you're looking for an end user purchase. Now, if the building is getting into occupancy stage, and what occupancy stage is, it's when you can move into your unit. Now, the building's not registered yet, so you're not putting a mortgage on the unit yet, so there's no transfer of title. But during that time, you can move in the unit, and they charge you an occupancy rent. So now the investor is losing money because they have to pay this occupancy rent, and there's no one living in the unit, so they're bleeding money. And at that time, they may really want to get out of the unit, and that's when some end users can get in there and repay them, let's say, the 15% they originally put down on the unit. And at the registration, when they can qualify for a mortgage for the property, they can pay them the balance of the appreciation they made off the original sales price and pay the developer that amount. And that's how some individuals can get into buildings that are completely sold out. Assignments are a little more difficult than your regular resale. I use the ass in assignments because they're a pain in the ass. That's how I describe them. Because the language there's no set standard for it. Even though we do have standard forms, typically the language is quite complicated in the back end of the contract. It's still a pretty simple transaction at the end of the day, but you want to make sure that you have a real estate agent and a lawyer that is experienced in these assignment deals. Otherwise, you may not be able to complete the deal and not get that unit that you want in the building. Now, why are people flocking these assignments now? Well, there's tremendously low inventory in the resale market, which is causing these bidding wars out there. So people are turning to assignments to get away from the bidding war and not overpaying for a property, and they can get something that's brand new, that's never been lived in, and that's becoming quite an attractive option for some people out there. So I really want to just give you an update on assignments. I'll have a little more on my website just in detail about what assignments are and some different language that is used for them. Otherwise, from AlexJWilson.com, making your dreams come true. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.